Here's my drone. I'm going to get some drone footage. Strap it over here. These are my GoPro stuff, chest straps, head mounts. See you, Norman. Bye.
Hi, Mars. Have fun.
See you, Mario. Let's go.
Let's go.
See ya.
Go, go, go. Have fun.
See ya.
See you. You'll be home on Sunday when I come back. If you're not, I'll call you. Mars ready for our adventure.
Woo!
2 bikes in the trailer.
Farmer's Road instead. What am I searching at?
We're at Ambler Lane Campground. So, which way's it saying? Out that way, so we'll stop at the first survey. Peace out, everyone. Catch you at Ambler Lane Campground. Oh, g'day, everyone. Welcome. We made it. We're in Ambler Lane Campground. Lodi State Forest. Hey, Mars.
Hey, hey!
Yeah, look at the size of your Chumbawamba tent, Mario.
Leave me alone.
Oh, I should set this up on a tripod and do a timer and see how long it takes you to set it up.
I gotta work out how to put it up.
Oh, you'll be right. I'm gonna go set up my tent. Takes 2 minutes. Anyway, look, got a fire pit here. Lucky to get a campground for fire pit. There's a grate there. Daniel's coming tomorrow, and he's actually going to clean that. We'll cook on it, but we've got, as you would expect, lots of other stuff to cook on. What else do we need to see down here? Come for a walk. Beautiful river. It's not giant and flowing, not at the moment anyway. When there's rain, of course, you'd expect it fills up. I'll take you for a walk down here. I'll show you the bikes in the trailer in a minute. I think you've already seen them, but just double look. When we finish our ride, we'll come down here, set up our chairs, soak our feet in the water, have a wash in it. It's not too, just fresh water, yeah. We're washing it with soap and everything. But if it's too cold today, we'll just grab some water, boil it, and I've got one of those plastic bag showers and an outdoor shower. What should I do? Should I set up the tripod? You watch me set up, see how long it takes? Maybe we do it in fast motion? I think so. I think we can do that. Yeah. Mario's going for it. So. All done. Oh, look, my chairs. Mario brought my chairs out. How's he going in here? Jesus, I got that. He's got the Taj Mahal. Look, he's already inside. Fucking hell, where are you, Mario? Can't even see you.
I'm on the second floor.
Second floor. Did you go in another entrance? Oh, there you are. Oh my. That wasn't wrong.
Mate, do it in style.
Party in your tent.
All.
The rear entrance.
Yeah, I didn't get a permit for that, so.
Woohoo! Oh, this is the easy way in and out.
Huh? What's the back entrance for anyway? I don't get it.
Huh? What's what?
I don't know what the purpose of that is.
What?
The back entrance.
So you can go in from the back.
Why would you do that?
Sometimes maybe it's a hot day, you want to open up, get the wind pumping through it. I use, I've got two sides of mine. One side's my in and out, and the other side's my toilet. You know, that's what I mean. In the bush over there, crawl back in. Alright, I'm sweating. Alright, I'm out of here. Hey, that hammer looks familiar.
You need that?
No, is that my hammer? Yeah. Oh, no, it looks familiar.
That's the reason why it looks familiar.
Ah, that's ancient, man. You know what? I think that
It looks ancient.
that was my grandfather's. That came out of the fitting and turning shop at Massey Ferguson. Yeah. Oh, you want to see my bikes? There we go. There's Mario's WR. Please. There's my Husky. Oh, actually got to back them off a bit. Let's see. Can you see me? Yep. Back off the clamps a bit. Take the pressure off the suspension. Oh, welcome back everyone. We'll get the fire going. Sorry I didn't film me setting up the fire. I'll do that tomorrow night, but tonight it was just getting dark, as you can see, sun setting. And we just needed to get this thing going. Nice and warm. Mario's just cutting some more wood. Got the trusty saw there on the ground. Hey, there we go, nice little saw there. And there it is. Oh, that's actually, I think that's a redwood, that one.
This one, I know, this is hard, this one.
Yeah, it's an old redwood, so it's dry, but it's still going to burn nicely. Oh yeah, she'll be right. Oh, actually, she'll be right. Could be my famous last words. Overall, Mars and I had a great night. We ate, we drank, and we got to sleep by about 12 o'clock. Tomorrow morning, the rest of the guys are going to catch up with us, and we're going to spend a day riding. Of course, getting back together in the evening, having a few beers, setting a fire, and I promise tomorrow we'll get some footage of us cooking. I'll get the drone up in the air, and we'll see what else we can squeeze out of this 4-day weekend that we've sorted out. So catch you all in the next one. Peace out.